Back in the 60s, Valencia faced staunch resistance to its creation from Orlando's power brokers, who supported a private junior college in Orlando that was open only to white Christian students. Martin Company executives, as well as leaders in Orlando's Black community, began pushing for a public community college. Martin needed a local junior college to provide technical training so that locals could be employed at the plant. The Martin Company was so heavily involved in helping Valencia get off the ground that Ed Fallon, who was in charge of technical training for Martin's new Orlando facility, was appointed to Valencia's first board of trustees. Today, that spirit of cooperation and friendship continues with Lockheed Martin. Lockheed representatives serve on advisory councils for 3 of our engineering-related associate degrees. They've also been dedicated supporters of our accelerated skills training programs in advanced manufacturing. As part of their investment in workforce development and education, they've helped us with curriculum development to meet the changing needs of industry, provided grants and scholarships, and hired many of our students.
I was working at Lockheed and I actually approached my manager at first and I was asking him about the technicians in the maintenance department, and I was like, well, how do I get into that? And I saw that you guys were kind of shorthanded and you could use some more help. And he was like, well, what is your background in it? I was like, honestly, I don't have a really big background in maintenance at all. So he actually gave me the flyer for this program and he said, this is requirements. If you can finish this, we have a job for you. And I was like, okay, I got it, I'm gonna do that. Coming in, seeing the lab and seeing the classroom and like, yeah, you're gonna do electricity, hydraulics, pneumatics, automation, maintenance, they all go hand in hand. These are job skills that you're gonna need to have to be a member of the workforce in the future. After I finished the program, I went to my manager and let him know. I was like, hey, I finished. He's like, you're gonna have to apply and we can't just give you the job. So I applied and I aced the interview with flying colors and they came to me with a job offer. And I immediately ran out of the office. I'm on the phone. I was like, you'll never believe what happened. I was like, they hired me. So that was a good day. And here I am, maintenance technician.